Hey there, Jack from Statamic here, and I want to talk about Flat Camp. Flat Camp is Statamic's annual retreat non-conference. It's a non-conference because there are no organized talks, no paid speakers. It's just the Statamic community getting together and spending time together. And I hear some pushback on this because why would my company pay to send me somewhere to a conference that doesn't have talks? Is this just a vacation? Yes and no. Think about it from this perspective. When you go to a conference and you spend 2 days and whatever, $2,000 and between a ticket and lodging and travel or whatever, and you have 2 days of talks about whatever the conference decides the talks to be about. Maybe 2 or 3 of them per day are kind of interesting. One of them probably could have been a YouTube video. And what you really take home is like the conversations that you had in the hallway, at dinner, after hours. And what a better way to do it than to just take that part of a conference and make that the whole thing. So now you have 3 days, like 3 full days, 3 nights, 4 days actually, with the core Statamic team, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Talk about whatever you want. Bring your laptop, we'll bring ours. Anything you want to talk about, anything you want to learn, any ideas you've got, we're all ears. Bring it, let's talk about it, let's get into it. And it's basically make your own conference. Whatever you feel like you want to learn, come ready, and we will be there for you. Not only is it just really great information and knowledge transfer, but it's relationship building. The chance to build actual friendships with people in the Statamic community is honestly, it's priceless. How much more likely are you to refer or get referred work from someone you know versus someone you don't? We want to have relationships with the people in our community and the people that come to Flat Camp and our partners. These are the people who actually shape the future of what Statamic is, what features we work on, what efforts we put into, what risks we take. All of that happens on the relationship side. It doesn't happen on GitHub at scale with thousands. Like, this is where community is built. And if you are willing to take a risk on us, we are willing to take a risk on you. I hope you can consider that is a good enough pitch for why you should come to Flat Camp. This year in June, we are outside Rome in the Italian countryside. It should be nice. It should also be fairly easy to get to from anywhere in Europe. Not quite so much from the US, but we want to spend some time in Europe and make it really easy for the people in the European community. So yeah, hope to see you there. Check it out, flatcamp.com.